Welcome back to Bike Update, your trusted source for the latest two-wheeler news and reviews. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Coleman CT200U, a rugged mini bike that combines classic design with modern engineering for off-road fun and everyday practicality. Design and build quality. The 2026 CT200U keeps its signature retro mini bike look, compact, sturdy, and adventure-ready. The steel frame construction ensures durability, while the updated seat and ergonomic handlebars enhance comfort during long rides. Coleman has refined the finish this year, giving it a cleaner, more premium appearance while keeping its raw trail bike vibe. Engine and performance. Powered by a reliable 196 cubic centimeters 4-stroke engine, the 2026 CT200U delivers smooth torque and excellent low-end power. It's not built for speed, but rather for control and stability on rough terrain. The centrifugal clutch provides an easy ride for beginners, while the upgraded carburetor improves throttle response and fuel efficiency. Suspension and handling. The new model features improved front suspension and thick off-road tires that handle dirt paths, grass, and gravel with ease. The low seat height and balanced weight distribution make it beginner-friendly and fun for seasoned riders alike. Features and upgrades. Coleman added a few thoughtful touches this year: a more efficient braking system, stronger chain guard, and an optional cargo rack for utility riders. These upgrades make the CT200U not just a trail toy but also a practical mini commuter for short trips. Price and value. Priced competitively around $699, the 2026 Coleman CT200U remains one of the most affordable and reliable mini bikes in its class. Its low maintenance costs and durable build make it a great pick for families, campers, and weekend riders. Conclusion. The 2026 Coleman CT200U continues to prove that simplicity, reliability, and fun can go hand in hand. Whether you're exploring trails or cruising around the yard, this mini bike brings old-school joy with modern dependability. Thanks for tuning in to Bike Update, where every ride begins with the latest updates.